how to accelerate projects. Typical objectives in the projects are minimizing project completion time, but also minimizing the cost of the project or actually making sure the project's budget is not exceeded. Also, an important objective that has to be taken care of is the quality of accomplished work. Often, if you try to push for short completion times or low cost, you might actually compromise quality. Objectives are obviously conflicting, so there are trade-offs. If you take more time, maybe you can increase quality. If you increase the budget, you might actually also reduce the project completion by paying, for example, someone to work overtime to speed up something that is critical for speeding up the project. In general, some advice is useful. Right? Be smart. Start the project early. Even the activities that have a lot of slack, if you can start them soon, because postponing might cost you delay. Right? An activity with a large slack might also, if delayed, might become critical, and a delay in it might then cause project delay. Manage the project scope. It's important to manage the project completion of each activity as it is and watch for any delays and see any delay and its impact. But also it's important to manage project scope. Often, let's say, product development projects or software development projects, sometimes the managers keep adding features or changing design during the project, which actually increases the activity times and postpones the project completion time, sometimes by a lot, right? And the project might actually be delayed so much that the new product is no longer a useful product to be introduced, or new software is not introduced before the competition introduces an even better software, right? If you experience delays, crash activities. Activity crashing means basically paying some extra money, some premium, in order to speed up processing of some activities, right? If a predecessor has been delayed and now the critical path is longer and the project might become much longer, then you might decide for some of the successor activity to try and speed it up by for example, paying extra to the person who's doing the activity in order for them to work overtime. And of course, remember to overlap activities, right, whenever we can. Sometimes surprisingly critical activities, critical path activities might be overlapped. For example, you might be able to start a follower, a successor activity with some preliminary information from the preceding activity and thereby speeding it up.